You ready for a stupid problem? The function p models the population of a city in thousands of people as a function of time t. In years, t's got to be positive because, real life. The function r models water consumption in gallons per day as a function of population size. Let w be the composition function defined by w of t equals r of p of t. Which of the following statements is true about w? Now, before I go on further, this is a problem that looks very similar to an actual AP Precalculus, legit AP test, AP Precalc, AP test problem, practice problem test. Okay, so it looks very similar. And when you're finding w of t, it's still a function of time. So that's it. I mean, it's a strange problem. Like, you're not given anything to simplify. You're not given any math to do. You're just saying, okay, well, it's still a function of time because it's w of t. So, yeah, I mean, that's it. That's this problem. Pretty stupid, but, hope this helps.